Hey friends, welcome back to a new video of Microsoft Excel series that is currently running into my channel. Friends, please check the playlist into my channel. There you will find useful playlist that will help you to learn easily. And also check the description box after the video ends. There you will find the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. So today we are going to learn a very useful formula of Microsoft Excel series that can be found so much useful and so much important in our daily Microsoft Excel work. We are going to learn the max formula today. To learn about this formula briefly, watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel, and if you have already subscribed then many thanks. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back friends. As usual, I am going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, I have already created a file previously. Let's open that file. Here it is. Friends, suppose you have a data file like this. This is basically an result card. There you have to find the maximum number or the higher number in this certain range. To get the maximum value from a set of numbers, you can easily use the max formula here. So look at here carefully friends, I am typing the formula. The formula will be like this, equals to max max. Then you have to open the first bracket. Then it is asking for set of numbers. You can write the numbers like this, put a comma, or if you have the numbers in certain cell, just select that cell range there. I am selecting the cell range. In my case the cell range is from C6 to G6. Then simply close the bracket and hit the enter button. Look at here friends, it is showing you the result without any errors. It is showing 98. Look at here carefully, in this range 98 is actually the maximum value in this range. And if you drag the formula from upside down, the formula will be copied from upside down. So let's check how this formula actually works. The max function is fully automatic. It accepts one or more arguments which can be numbers or cell references that point to numbers, then return the maximum value. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you have liked this video. I will come back soon with the next part of this video. In that part I will show you another trick that can be used with max formula. It will be uploaded soon. Comment your query if you have any. Share this video with your friends who wants to learn Microsoft Excel from the very beginning level. Keep learning, keep supporting this channel and stay tuned.